Hi, this is Anindya Malik, and today I'll talk about online education and how Edtech solutions and platforms are making inroads into the education sector. So, as we know, in this pandemic situation, there has been large-scale disruption, and the education system is also is affected. There has been a prolonged lockdown in which the institutions have been shut down and classes suspended, and this has affected the academic cycle for the students. In order to make up for lost time, almost many of these institutions have started online classes, and in these online classes we see that it's largely using available video conferencing platform where the teacher is taking online, going online, and students are logging into these platforms. Now here we see that there will be one constraint in terms of the teachers when they are going online. They do not have visibility of how the students are reacting to the lessons in terms of the body language, confidence level and all. So there may be an issue in which the teacher is not able to adapt or change the teaching methodology as per the receptibility of the students. And this is where EduTech solution sets can come in use, because with the combination of the teachers teaching as well as the EduTech solutions, it could be an enhanced experience for students as well as the teacher through various methodologies like assessment through gamification can get instant feedback on how students are reacting to the teaching, absorbing the teaching, and accordingly take corrective actions during the lesson itself. Going forward, when we move from the lockdown situation to recovery stage, even when the institutes open, there will be still constraints in terms of social distancing and sanitation measures, for which the campuses will not operate at the optimum capacity. So all students may not be able to join back in their respective institutions, and part of the students may have to go in for online combination of online learning as well as attending the classrooms. So in this scenario also, there is a big play for the EduTech companies in terms of their platform and solution sets, where the lessons can be made in a hybrid or a blended model, in which partly the teachers can teach and through a regular online mechanism, and it could be blended with the solution sets in terms of videos and other tools to enhance the conceptual learning capabilities, and gamification for assessment of students who are participating in remote or distance learning. So in this we see that going forward there is a bright future for EduTech organizations to associate with the education institutions, and here also we will see that there will be challenges in adapting to this transformation changes, and this will be in terms of the investments that need to be made either through subscription or upfront investment in platforms and solution sets as per the EduTech organization's business and operating model. The other would of course be from the students' side, whether they have access to digital devices to participate in these online classrooms and also have the connectivity at home which can support these kind of solution sets. So with this, I think over time we will see that online and EduTech organization solution set will have greater acceptability, and this will obviously enhance both the students' learning experience as well as the teachers' experience in teaching. Thank you.